Just doing a quick video on your environment. Here I am in wonderful New England on a beautiful day. I'm actually from California. I don't know how many of you know that, but people ask me, why did you come here? And I never understand what they're saying because it's so gorgeous out. I can sort of see the sky. Maybe not today. Anyways, perfect day to talk about your environment and how important it is to set up your playroom and make it useful for yourself. Make it conducive and helpful in everything that you need to help your child. What props you need, what trampolines and stuff like that, and bouncy stuff and inflatables and everything that you need, yoga balls to help you get eye contact, language, to make it fun for you, make it easy for you. Take out any distractions, any little toys, any books that are in the way. Don't make it cluttered. Be able to close the door, be able to focus. This room is as much for you as it is for your child. All right, good luck, and please submit any questions. Thank you.